Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Baghdad, there lived a wise and pious man named Yusuf. Yusuf was known for his deep understanding of Islamic teachings and his unwavering commitment to living a righteous life. Yusuf's reputation as a man of wisdom and piety reached the ears of the ruler of Baghdad, the Caliph. Intrigued by his reputation, the Caliph summoned Yusuf to his palace, seeking his guidance and counsel. When Yusuf arrived at the palace, he was greeted with respect and honor. The Caliph, surrounded by his advisors, sat on a golden throne and listened attentively as Yusuf began to speak. "O Caliph," Yusuf began, "I am but a humble servant of Allah, and I seek to share with you a story that holds great lessons for us all." The Caliph leaned forward, eager to hear Yusuf's words. Yusuf continued, "In the early days of Islam, during the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, there was a companion named Abdullah. Abdullah was known for his simplicity and humility. Despite his poverty, he had a heart filled with gratitude and contentment. One day, Abdullah came across a poor beggar in the streets of Medina. Seeing the beggar's tattered clothes and hungry eyes, Abdullah felt an overwhelming compassion. Without hesitation, Abdullah gave the beggar his own cloak and a portion of the little food he had. The beggar's eyes filled with tears of gratitude, and he uttered a prayer for Abdullah's well-being. Years passed, and Abdullah's circumstances changed. He became a successful merchant with wealth and prosperity at his disposal. However, despite his newfound affluence, Abdullah remained grounded and committed to his faith. One day, as Abdullah was walking through the bustling market, a familiar face caught his attention. It was the same beggar he had helped all those years ago, but now the beggar was dressed in rich garments and surrounded by people seeking his counsel. The beggar smiled warmly and replied, "Abdullah, do you not recognize me? I am the beggar whose hung are you satisfied and whose dignity you restored. Allah, in His infinite mercy, has blessed me abundantly. I now use my wealth and knowledge to help those in need, just as you helped me." Abdullah was overwhelmed with gratitude and humbled by Allah's blessings. He realized that his act of kindness had not only impacted the beggar's life but had also set in motion a ripple effect of goodness. As Yusuf concluded the story, the Caliph and his advisors were deeply moved. The Caliph spoke, "Has reminded me of the true essence of Islam to embody compassion, humility, and generosity. From this day forward, let us strive to emulate the actions of Abdullah, and may Allah bless our endeavors." The Caliph and his advisors, inspired by Yusuf's words, dedicated themselves to charitable acts and fostering an environment of justice and compassion throughout the kingdom. Word of the Caliph's transformation spread far and wide, inspiring people from all walks of life to follow his example. The city of Baghdad flourished as the people embraced the Yusuf, the wise and pious man, continued to serve as a guiding light for the Caliph and the community. His words of wisdom and acts of kindness touched the hearts of many, reminding them of the power of faith and the potential for positive change. In the years that followed, the city of Baghdad became a shining example of an Islamic society where justice, compassion, and unity reigned. The legacy of Yusuf and the Caliph's transformation continued to inspire generations to come, reminding them that the true And so, the story of Yusuf and the Caliph teaches us that no matter our station in life, we all have the power to make a difference. By embodying the teachings of Islam, we can inspire positive change and create a society that reflects the beauty and compassion of our faith. Let us, like Yusuf and the Caliph, strive to be agents of change, spreading love, kindness, and justice wherever we go.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.